Yoga is a great way to promote physical health, mindfulness, and relaxation. The right yoga products can enhance your practice and support your body and mind. With the rise of e-commerce, it's now easier than ever to purchase yoga products online from the comfort of your own home. We will explore the benefits of buying yoga products online and provide tips on choosing the best products for your practice. So, if you need a new yoga mat or looking to upgrade your yoga gear, let's dive in and explore the world of yoga products online. Let's talk about benefits and options. Yoga is a fantastic way to improve physical health, mental well-being, and reduce stress levels. However, you need the right yoga products to get the most out of your practice. Fortunately, with the rise of e-commerce, purchasing yoga products online is easier than ever. One of the biggest benefits of buying yoga products online is convenience. You have the luxury of shopping from the comfort of your own home, and there's no need to visit multiple stores to find what you need. You can browse a wide span of yoga products, read reviews, and make a purchase. This is especially beneficial for those with a busy schedule or who don't live near a yoga store. Wide variety. Online stores offer a wider variety of yoga products compared to physical stores. You can find everything from yoga mats and blocks to yoga clothing and accessories. This allows you to explore different brands, materials, and styles to find the products that best suit your needs and preferences. You can find the perfect product to enhance your yoga practice online. Competitive pricing. Online stores often offer competitive pricing for yoga products. Because online retailers have lower overhead costs compared to physical stores, allowing them to offer products at a lower price. Additionally, online stores may offer discounts or promotions that aren't available in physical stores. This makes it easier to find high-quality yoga products at an affordable prices. Tips for choosing the best yoga products online. Read reviews. Before purchasing, it's essential to read product reviews from other customers. Reviews can provide valuable information about the product's quality, durability, and overall performance. This can help you decide whether the product is right for you. Before making a purchase, check the online store's return policy. Some stores may not accept returns or may charge a restocking fee. Knowing the return policy beforehand can save you time and money if you need to return a product. Look for free shipping. Many online stores that offer free shipping for orders over a certain amount. This can save you money on shipping costs and make online shopping more affordable. Check the material. When purchasing yoga products online, it's important to check the material. For example, when buying a yoga mat, look for a mat made from high-quality materials such as PVC or natural rubber. This ensures that the mat is durable and can withstand frequent use. Consider brand reputation. Consider purchasing yoga products from well-known and reputable brands. These brands are more likely to offer high-quality products and have a track record of customer satisfaction. Buying yoga products online offers many benefits, including convenience, a wide variety of products, and competitive pricing. To make the most out of your online shopping experience, it's essential to read reviews, check the return policy, look for free shipping, consider the material, and purchase products from reputable brands. By following these tips, you can find high-quality yoga products that enhance your practice and help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Thanks for watching. Learn more at spiritualserenade89.com. Click the link in the description below.